Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look here at Cardano, seeing what's going on. We're going to double check a couple of key factors here, such as, key level supports and some back-end data too here to help support if there's any, incentive for the price to run up or down. If you're new to the channel, again, welcome aboard. Not a financial advisor, just love to teach people to trade. Hope you can learn something today. Keep in mind, I do have a trading academy, community, and signals group. I get a question a lot about that. It is available on our homepage, cryptocash.tech. We have awesome trading community here and some nice trades here that just came through. Solana from yesterday, day before yesterday, ICP, what was it, SEI, those were some longs. And we also took some nice short profit yesterday from Chainlink and SEI, get 60% in 5 days. So again, congrats to our community. Not one person got liquidated. Actually, correction, one person did, but they added to their margin when they shouldn't have. It was just kind of a simple mistake. It happens all the time. Totally understand, but moving forward, congrats on that. I think that's fantastic. So kudos to all for not destroying your accounts. Again, it's really simple. Patience, folks. It just pays off, and low leverage, low position sizing. That's the important thing. So looking here at Cardano, we can see 80 cents even, still the same scenario for the high concentration liquidation, somewhere about between 79 and 80. Yeah, we got some recent longs here, right there at about 70 cents even, with some recent shorts at about 76. So we're kind of right smack dab in the middle of that. We do look at the last 12 hours, you can probably see it a little clearer, and just kind of understand generally which direction the liquidation is. It's more so to the upside. Okay. So again, with us being closer to that level, it would make sense that it gets swept just based on how the whales like to manipulate the market. Okay. So taking a look here at the daily time frame, let's double check a few things, kind of see what's going on. Simple moving averages, we can see all good. There's literally nothing wrong with this chart. Minus the fact that we do see a stochastic swing to the downside. This is very common for a massive candle wick like we saw from yesterday. Okay? So hopefully you had some limit orders. I don't think we're going to see that kind of sale again. If so, just re-up your limit orders here so they get filled again. If this is, again, your long-term picture, long-term hold, but generally speaking, there's nothing disadvantageous here. We got a lot of volume support at 62, 63. We zoom out a little bit further, we can see there's a heavier concentration at, drum roll please, right there at 60 cents even. Okay, so 60 cents is one of those ranges that people think is a very good value for this coin. So with us being above that, what do you know? That means we are in support range. So daily time frame looks all good. I'm not super concerned with that stochastic RSI. That does have a tendency of giving you false positives when you have these ugly wicks like we saw. Since then, we've seen a nice recovery here on the 4 hour. Take a look at this here. Stochastic swinging up, money flow index coming up, and RSI maintaining at 50 or higher. That's usually a positive sign here. Is it completely bullish? No, but it's absolutely a good thing. We can also see that MACD is losing its momentum to the downside and could converge in the next few days. Same thing here as well. We're under the 20-day SMA. That would be the confirming factor to close at 74 cents or higher. That would let us know that we're back in bull town. But once more, we got to pay attention to some of these resistances. 75 and a half cents is effectively a key level resistance for this coin right now. Okay, so just know we're not out of the woods yet, but still getting much better. We're turning much more positively than we have before. Taking a look at the hourly, quick little understanding here. We're at a 7 on TD sequential. We've been running for 7 hours straight in the same direction. Correction would make sense. Same thing as well with Ichimoku Cloud. Most coins are looking identical just because we had this drop off of a cliff from before. We can see the cloud dropped as well, essentially reaffirming that we're on the right side of tracks, but it's not like it's a massive support level. But most of these support levels are accumulating right at 0.5. So long story short here is this halfway mark is effectively our support level. So 68.5 cents, round number 69 cents, would be a solid support range for this coin. Even better right now, we're at the, what is referred to as commonly the golden pocket. We're just above that 0.618 fib level. So 71 cents is reaffirming itself as a support too. So consideration for DCA targets would be 71 cents and, of course, just above maybe 69 cents. Those are two good little areas to consider a long position with. If the price does pull back to those levels, there is still a good chance we're going to see a continuation of the upside. But we got to recognize we're just barely maintaining 50 on the RSI on the 4 hour. A lot of times when you see that, it's just one of those kind of situations you may be best to wait a little bit longer for confirmation. Again, different strokes for different folks. But at this point here, I'm glad that we cut some nice little profits here for our day trading bot. Caught a nice little 7% scalp in 3 hours, and of course an ETH short in 5.5% in 4 hours. So that's just kind of how the day trades are supposed to work, folks. You got to get in and out quickly, maintain watching those closely, and ensure that you are, again, not over leveraging. Okay, so those are just small percents. It adds up over time. Either way, okay, that's what we got there. Last but not least, I get a lot of questions here. Yes, they had a significant upgrades recently, and Bitunix is a phenomenal exchange. Make sure you use them. Use my link down below for some awesome rewards if you decide you want to use them. We also have trading competitions with them as well. Link down below for that as well if you're curious on what that looks like. I hope you have a great rest of the day. Thank you again so much for your time. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.